Let's create our delicious spicy salmon lover roll. Begin by spreading about 4 ounces of sushi rice over a half sheet of nori, then flip it. Next, layer on sliced cucumber, Japanese mint leaves, spicy salmon, and radish sprout. Roll tightly and gently using a bamboo mat. After that, place 5 pieces of sliced salmon and sliced avocado on top of the roll. Use plastic wrap and a bamboo mat to shape the roll nicely and tightly before carefully cutting the roll into 10 pieces. Use excess plastic wrap to reshape the roll again. Gently arrange the roll on the plate before dotting each piece with spicy mayo. Next, use a torch to sear the roll. After that, place thinly sliced jalapeno on top of each piece of the roll before dotting each piece with spicy sriracha hot sauce. Finally, garnish with flowers. It's now ready to serve. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you very much for your support.